Majorsell's new warranty system is quick and easy to use. Let's have a look. First, go to the Majorsell website. Next, in the right hand corner on the navigation bar, hover your mouse over the returns button. You should see three options: returns, warranty and old unit. For this demonstration, I am going to select warranty. Now you should see the warranty form. Some fields are mandatory and others optional. Please fill out the form in as much detail as possible. It will have an impact on the time taken to handle the return. You can find the terms and conditions at the end of the page or by clicking Returns on the navigation bar. Once you have filled out the form, please confirm that you accept the terms and conditions and click Submit. Following this, you should receive a confirmation email with your ticket number and other relevant details. Allow up to 10 minutes for this to arrive. If the email hasn't arrived after 10 minutes, please check your spam folder. Please print the email confirmation and insert it into the box of the returned product. We can't accept a return without this printout. Once the return arrives on our site, we will get to work on processing your return. Once this process is complete, you will receive an email confirming so. You may contact the returns at majorsell.co.uk or your rep for updates or other relevant information. That is the new warranty system. The old paper-based system is going to be phased out. If you have any questions, please contact returns@majorsell.co.uk or contact your rep.